Hello everyone. In the previous video, I have taught you how to find the square root of a number using prime factorization method. Prime factorization method is very easy, but it has some drawback also. If we have to find the square root of a very large number, then it is very difficult for us to follow the prime factorization method. So for that, we need to know about the second method, and the second method is long division method. Using this long division method, we can easily find the square root of a very large numbers also. Now let me explain you this long division method by solving few examples. And here I have taken three numbers whose square root is to be found out. In this part of the video, I have taken a very small number so that it is very easy for you to understand, and then in the next part of the video, we will try to solve the larger numbers using long division method. Now let me find the square root of 7921 using long division method. So in the middle of the page, we have to write the number 7921. And the first thing that we have to do here is, we have to prepare the number by placing bar above each two digits starting from the right side. So this is the right side. Two digits towards left is 1 and 2. So above it we have to place a bar. And we move on to the third digit and fourth digit. So above it also we have to place the bar. So altogether there are two bars. Now we draw a line in this way, and this bar will divide the number into number of periods. So here there are two bars. So we have this 79 is the first period and 21 is the second period. So we have to take the first period. Taking the first period 79, we have to find the largest number whose square is less than or equals to 79. So in the rough copy, we multiply the numbers like starting from 1. 1 into 1 is 1 only. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4, 9 is very less than 79. So we keep on multiplying like this. So 5 into 5, 25, which is still less than 79. Then 7 into 7, 49, still less than 79. 8 into 8, 64, still less than 79. And at last 9 into 9, 81. So 81 is more than 79. We have to take the number which is equals to 79 or less than 79. So 64 is the number which is less than 79, and it is the greatest perfect square number less than 79. So this 64 we have got multiplying 8 two times, that is 8 into 8. So this 8 we write it here, and this another 8 we write it on the top of the first period, so above it. So that 8 into 8 is 64, and then we write it here. We have taken the first period 79, and the largest perfect square number is 64, which is less than 79, and 64 is 8 into 8, 64, and then we subtract putting minus sign. Then 9 minus 4 is 5, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So it will be 15. Now next what you have to do is, this is a quotient. So we have to add this here. So here I am adding this 8 which is on the top of 79 here. So that 8 plus 8 is 16. And here you have to leave some gap. So this means some number is to be placed here. And then we bring the second period, this 21 down here. we have to bring both the numbers which are under the bar. Now altogether it is 1521. Now the next thing that we have to do here is, here is already 16, and starting from 0, we have to get a number in the rough copy such that that number is less than or equals to 1521. So like for example, so if you replace this space by 0, then here also you have to replace by 0. So 160 into 0 is 0. So this 1521 is greater than 0. And if you replace this space by 1, then here also you have to place 1, then 161 into 1 is 161. So again 161 is much more smaller than 1521. So in the rough copy you have to multiply the number in this way. So if you replace here by 2, then 162 into 2. So 162 into 2 is 324. Again 324 is much more smaller than 1521. So similarly you have to try for other numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is 1169, which is still less than 1521. So if you replace the gap here by 8, then it will be 1344. So again smaller than 1521. At last when we replace here by 9 and here also 9, then 169 into 9, here we have got 1521. So which is equals to 1521, which is already present over here. So this 16 is this, and this 9 we have to write it here, and there is another 9. That 9 we have to write it on the top of the second period. 169 into 9 is here 1521. Then we subtract similarly, and after subtraction we'll get 0. So there is no more period over here. So this 89 is our answer. So at last we have to write, therefore square root of 7921 is 89. So this 89 we have got from here, which is the quotient. Now let me find the square root of the second number 2704 using long division method. The first thing is to prepare the number by placing the bar starting from the right side on every 2 digits. So 4 and 0, above it we place 1 bar, and above 7 and 2 we place another bar, and then we draw a line. Now we have to take the first period. This 27 is the first period. We have to find the largest number whose square is less than or equals to 27. This can be done by multiplying the numbers on the rough copy. So like this, 1 into 1, we start always from 1. So 1 into 1, 1. 2 to the 4, still less than 27. And 4 for the 16, still less than 27. 5 was the 25, still less than 27. 6 6 are 36, which is more than 27. So here we have to take 25. So this 25 is the largest perfect square number less than 27. So this 25 we have got multiplying 5 2 times. So this 1 5 we write it here, and another 5 we write it here. So 5 into 5 is 25, and then we subtract from the first period. 27 minus 25 is 2. Then we have to add this here, then it will be plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and we have to leave a space here, and then we have to bring this second period down. So second period here the number is 04. So both the number we have to bring it down. So altogether here the number is 204. Now we have to place a number here and find the largest number which is equals to or less than 204. In the rough copy we do multiplication like this 10 and we replace this space by 0 so that it will be 100. So if you replace by 0 this space, then you have to multiply by 0 only. So it will be 100 into 0 is 0. And if you replace this space by 1, it will be 101. So 101 into 1 is 101 only. And if you replace this space by 2, then it will be 102. So 102 into 2, it will be 204. So which is equals to here, this number. So here, we have to replace by 2. And then we have multiplied with 2. So this 2 will be the above second period. Then 102 into 2 is 204. And then we subtract. Then we get the remainder 0. So this is our answer. Therefore, the square root of 2704 equals to 52. At last, let me find the square root of 9801 using long division method. So as usual, first thing that we have to do here is we have to prepare the number by placing bar. So altogether there are 2 bars. And then we draw a line. And now we need to find the largest number whose square is equals to 98 or less than 98. 5 5s are 25, 25 is less than 98. 8 is 64, 64 is also less than 98. 9 9s are 81, 81 is also less than 98. 10 10s are 100. So 100 is greater than 98. So 100 cannot be taken. So perfect square number less than 98 is 81. So 81 is 9 into 9. Then we subtract from the first period. 98 minus 81 is 17. And then we add this quotient to this 9 here. So it will be 9 plus 9, 18. And then we have to leave some space here. And after that, we need to bring the second period down, this 0 and 1. So altogether the number here is 1701. And now we have to do in rough work by placing here. At first we replace this space by 0. Then 180 into 0 is 0. 0 is much more smaller than 1701. We replace here by 1. So it will be 181. So 181 into 1 is 181, which is also much more smaller than 1701. So in the similar way, we try with different numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 189 into 9 is 1701. So which is equal to the number here. So this 189, we have to write it here. So already 1 and 8 is there. So we add 9. So it will be 189. And this 9, we add it above the second period here. So 189 into 9 is 1701. And then we subtract. The remainder will be 0 because both the numbers are equal. Therefore, at last, we write square root of 9801 equals to 99. So this is the answer. So in this way, we have to find the square root of a given number using long division method.